Hi everybody, it's me, Jacob, library technician at the Longview Public Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to our week 4 Storytime craft kit, Pirates. Inside your craft packet this week, you'll get 2 pieces of contact paper. You'll get this treasure chest template here with a bunch of sequins. And you'll get the supplemental slip, which contains book recommendations and the song lyrics for the song we'll be singing this week. And then from home, you'll need a pair of scissors. Alright, so the first step to making this craft is that you're going to want to cut out this central white rectangle out of this chest. So you might need an adult to help you with this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very carefully take my scissors and stab through the paper and then just cut around the edges. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my chest all cut out. And now what I need to do is flip this over. And then I'm going to take my contact paper and I'm going to peel it and try and put it as best I can over the square so that way the sticky side is going to be facing up on this chest. Alright, so it might be a little hard to see, but I now have this contact paper onto the back with the sticky side up. And so next I'm going to take my sequins, I'm going to begin dropping them over the treasure chest. And so you can fill this up as much as you want to, or as little as you want to. I'm just going to kind of take mine and do a gentle kind of shake here to try to spread them out all over. And once you're done with this, you're just going to take your second piece of contact paper and put it over the top to kind of seal these in. So there we go, the finished treasure chest. Okay, so this next part is the song that we have recommended for this theme of pirates. And so this one's called Zoom Zoom Zoom, and it's the pirate version of it. So there's one version that's kind of space themed, but we're going to do pirates for this one. And so we're going to do Zoom Zoom Zoom, and the motion for that is we're going to go like this. So it goes like this. Zoom Zoom Zoom, we're hunting for doubloons. Zoom Zoom Zoom, we're hunting for doubloons. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my pirate ship. And you can do maybe a climbing. And then zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. And then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then ahoy! Alright, so now I'm going to introduce you to the book recommendations that we have this week, and those are included on your supplemental slip. So our first one here is called Splash, and it is by Roberta Grobel in Trader, and it's a Baby Faces series, so it just shows all of these babies having fun in bath time, and babies like to see other babies' faces. So this is just kind of a fun book, either before bath time or after. Yeah, it's a good, simple book. Our next book is Pirate's Perfect Pet by Beth Ferry, and it is about this pirate here who gets a letter from his mom asking him how he's doing on his pirate adventures, and he soon comes to realize that he does not have a pet. And so it's just this kind of silly story as he goes around these different areas trying to find a pet that works for him. And it turns out that it is exactly what you would expect. This next book is called Shiver Me Letters, a Pirate ABC, written by June Sobel. And so this one is about these animal pirates and their captain who is ordering them to go find the different letters of the alphabet. And so it's a very rhythmic, rhyming book that includes like different elements of like pirates and oceans and such that are associated with different letters of the alphabet. So it's a good kind of beginning alphabet book for young kids. This next book is called Tough Boris by Mem Fox. So this one is kind of a very limited word book, and it kind of tells the story of this pirate who comes to find a stowaway on his ship, and then the different kind of hijinks that they get up to. And it tells a lot of the story through the pictures and not so much through the words. So you kind of have to explain part of it possibly to the kid and have a good conversation about what's going on in the pictures. This next book is called Race to the Bottom of the Sea by Lindsay, and this is a middle grade book, so recommended kind of grades 3 through 5 or so. It is about this young girl whose parents pass away in an accident, and she ends up getting kidnapped by some pirates that are searching for treasure. And so it's all about her and her adventures with these groups of pirates as they're trying to find this treasure buried deep in the bottom of the ocean. Thanks everybody for watching this video. We hope you enjoy making your own treasure chest craft and that you enjoyed this week's theme of pirates. Check out our next video next week and our new story time. Also remember to keep track of your reading on Beanstack and earn rewards, and then come and pick up your prizes here at the library. We'll see you then.